Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful ZEPETO avatar. Please leave a like, it would make me so happy, and you can also follow me on ZEPETO. I'll be posting more face tutorials and other ZEPETO related videos, so subscribe. First things first, we're going to pick this default avatar and whatever skin tone that you like. Don't worry about the face, we're gonna use the default face that comes with the default thing. Over here, pick your beauty spots if you want any. You can also pick freckles. It's all up to you, whatever you like. And for the wrinkles, I always go for these. I don't know, it just feels more realistic. Brows, I'm going with these and I'm gonna make them black. I need to get rid of the hair because I can't even see what I'm doing. Now that we're bold but still slaying, we're gonna go with these eyes. Now for the eyelids, we're gonna pick this waterline crease over here. We're also gonna get these the underbags, I don't know what they're called, and the crease right here. Now for the nose, don't worry about the nose, we're gonna go with this one, the default one. And the mouth, we're gonna go for this baby looking mouth. Facial makeup you don't have to worry about right now. I just like to put it on because I don't know, I just feel like it's cuter. I like to look at, it being cute while I'm customizing. You don't have to put it on. Okay, eye makeup, my favorite thing. We're gonna go with these. This is literally all I ever go for. And some eyeshadow. Make it brown just so it looks more like a contour. The eyelashes, I put them on, but I'm pretty sure that later on they get taken back. I don't know, but I still like to see it while I'm customizing. This right here is a time-lapse, so I'm gonna be showing you guys the numbers and everything later, but I did want to put in the time-lapse just so you guys can see the whole process and how I go about customizing the face. After I'm done customizing the face a little bit, I like to put on makeup and accessories and hair just to see how I like it with everything, just to tweak everything a little bit more. I'm obviously gonna show you guys everything that I put on her later, but yeah, right now we're just looking at the time lapse. I wasn't really sure what hair I wanted on her, but I did get this new hair right here. And I thought it was so cute, so that's what I went for. I also changed the hair color, which it was kind of buggy. I had to change the hair color and then pick another hairstyle and then go back to the one I wanted. I don't know why it does that sometimes, it's weird. But yeah, this is what I went with. As you can see, I already put some clothes on her, but I also want to put some accessories on her, which I feel go with the outfit. I love these nails over here. They're by Bonita, and you have to check her out if you don't know who that is. I don't know how you wouldn't know who that is, but yeah, check her stuff out please, because she's very talented and she has amazing items. Now here are all the numbers that you need to copy down if you want her. So I will show you everything that she's wearing in this video, but if you want to make it a little easier on yourself, you can go to my styles, you can click the little hanger right there, and everything will load onto your character. Why would you not do that? That's so much easier. But yeah, so here are all the items that she's wearing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and make sure you subscribe for future face tutorials and more ZEPETO content. Bye!